Begin or scale your hydroponics growing using the HIsource NFT hydroponics system. Based on DIY concepts, this kit produces high yields of fresh produce for your home and community. What sets our kit apart from other DIY NFT systems is the professional channels with removable covers. Easily clean and maintain the system for multiple harvests. Offering 8 industrial grow channels and 64 planting sites. Our vertical design allows you to maximize your growing in minimal space. Hydroponics is one of the most environmentally sustainable methods of farming. We offer industrial-grade systems for home growers at affordable prices compared to other systems and traditional gardening. Follow us for more information regarding self-sustainment through hydroponics or Google HIsource Hydroponics online.